Hello, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to Fix-It Tunnel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 in Virtualbox. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, let's go and download Virtualbox if you haven't downloaded it yet. Go to the official website and download it. After downloading it, go to where it is saved. If you want Windows 11 ISO file, let me know, but I will leave link in the description below. And make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Now go and install it on your system. Don't worry this warning, press yes and proceed with the installation. After being installed, open it up. Click on this new button to create a virtual machine. Give your virtual machine a name. Then choose where your Windows 11 operating system is located. It should be ISO image file. Next, then next. Now I recommend you to use 4 GB on base memory. On CPU you can choose 3. Next. Here on virtual hard disk, recommendation is from 53 GB or more. Next, after that, finish. After that, the process of installation will start. Choose your installation language, then press next. Check this, then next. The system will start being installed on your computer through your Virtualbox. Here you are going to wait till it finishes the process. After the installation, it is going to restart your Virtualbox, and then it going to update if you are using internet. It not necessary to keep your internet on. Now finally we have Windows 11 installed in Virtualbox. Everything is good. Now the last step, we are going to device menu and insert guest edition CD image. Now go to the File Explorer. Open CD drive and install Virtualbox Image Tools. This is going to install all necessary drivers for Windows. It requires to reboot the Virtualbox system. After installing the drivers, go to View menu and select Auto Resize Guest Display. Now you will see the virtual machine is going to be resized according to your Windows display size. So that is it for the video. I hope you learned something from it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.